Ellison, owner of Swanky Butterfly. I am a retail stylist with Piffany, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about how just do you set up your Pinterest. Pinterest is a thing that a lot of people forget about sometimes. I think Pinterest is a lot of people who are getting married use Pinterest, a lot of people who cook use Pinterest. But I also believe that there are a lot of people who love fashion and who love style that are on Pinterest. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up Pinterest, how to post something that you'd like to post, and even how to link it back to a link that you might have created. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into Pinterest. If you have not created a Pinterest account, all you're going to do is you're going to say create an account, and you're going to enter in all the information that you're supposed to enter in and create an account. It's super easy, just exactly like Facebook, Instagram, any of those that you might be a part of, which I'm sure you already are. I am already a part of this, so I have my Swanky Butterfly email and I'm going to log in. Okay, as it logs in and as it thinks about all the things, here we go. So Pinterest is kind of a random thing. It operates based on pictures, right? It operates on all things visual. So if you haven't watched my Photography 101 class, make sure you do. I'll put a link to it in the comments. But really, like, when you're scrolling through this, you're just going to be clicking like, oh, those shoes, what's happening with that? And the glory about Pinterest is the moment you click on it, it should take you to an outside link. This is how big box people and big shoppers are getting you to buy their product. Okay, you're like, oh, this is from this company, and like this is a blog, but this shows like where to buy it. But it's just a great way to get your stuff out there. So here's my board. I have not done as much as I should do on this, but to create a board, you're just going to go up to here and this plus symbol and hit create board. So let's make this board about Piffany clothing. Okay, clothing, if I can type. Okay, I don't want my board to be secret because you can turn this on if you want it to be secret. A lot of my brides turn this on because they don't want their grooms to see their ideas about their engagement or anything like that. But you want it to be open for everybody to search because you want people to find you. That's the whole goal in this. So you're gonna hit create, and now I've created this board, or sort of a folder, that is now going to contain everything that is Piffany clothing that is of me. And so I am going to come up here to this plus again and hit create a pin. This means create a photo to be put onto my board. I'm going to create this, let me choose a photo that was done back in Florida. I'm going to go to my final images. I'm going to go to, let's post this picture right here. This is a picture of me in the Chelsea dress. I'm going to put Piffany Chelsea dress, okay? Okay, you wanna, if you're wanting people to find you on Pinterest that are searching the word Piffany, you're gonna wanna put the word Piffany in this top part, okay? And you always want to add some sort of description because all the words in your description are also searchable, just like in a Google, like when you're searching something in Google, those keywords are searchable. So you're gonna put dress, fashion, Piffany, cold shoulder, all the things that this is, okay? Now, in this URL, this is like the most important part. If you have not set up your own URL, I would highly suggest it. I think we're going to be making another video on that. But I already have, I am using a domain name, swankybutterfly.com, to direct people directly to my Facebook group. It's a really easy thing to do. It's a really cheap thing to do. It's something like, especially if you get it on like special, when it's on special, something like $5 a year to have a domain name that links to something else. It's really easy to do. So mine is www.swankybutterfly.com. Okay. And so it's saying to choose a board that I want to put here. I just made this Piffany clothing board. I want to put it there. Okay. You can also put things on here for more description, like plaid, anything that you want to put on here that you think is searchable. But this is just in generic. Then you're going to hit save. Okay. Once you hit save, okay. So now that it's saved, you're going to click see now. Okay. Look, there's your pin. And when you click on the video, oh, wait, look where it takes you. It takes you directly to my business page. Okay. So it's a really great way to get new people into your group. And it's a way that people don't think about often. It really is. So you can have all the boards you want. That one is just right here. You can reorder them. You can pin other things, and do all the things. So like I have a whole board just on color inspiration and things like that you can learn about, which is really fun. And you can actually make these boards. The cool thing is you can make these boards for your customers, and you can be like, well, what complements pink? Like if somebody got a pink something, you could send them this whole board and be like, I've made a whole styling board just for you. Go check out my pins on Pinterest. And how cool is that, right? So that's how you set up your Pinterest. It's very, 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 very easy. This is how you send a board to somebody. This is how you edit a board if you're wanting to edit different boards. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you want to invite people to collaborate with you, say you have a team and you want to do a team Pinterest board, you can do that here. It's just a really cool tool that I think is very not used as much as it should be. So have fun with Pinterest, and I hope you guys all have the best day in Piffany ever.